guys. Good morning. Good morning. Alright, so let's start from top to bottom, right? Um, gonna turn off the ones that aren't in their best place, right? So AU, we're looking for price to go down. Currently, we're rising, right? On top of the fact that price is going up, STP is less than 42 today. Let's do the math. Right, so let's start from the top and go down. So STP is 36, right? On top of the fact that STP is 36, and we already moved 36 pips for the day, right? We're still moving on up, right? And price is still in the middle, going to the top of the 30-minute high, right? You see, we were in the middle of this consolidation, right? So the fact that we're still in the middle consolidation, the move for the day was already made, right? We're gonna turn this off. CHF is at the top of the zone. We want to see price for CHF go up, right? And we know that the only valid entry for this is gonna be once it breaks above our daily and our 4-hour zones. And we can see how many times it's been rejecting the breaks, right? On top of the fact we have 2 weeks of rise, this week being the third week already gave us a new high, and price is just still rejecting highs. So at this point, CHF I'm going to turn it off until what? Until either price, I think we drew this out yesterday, right? Until we get a price to break, retest to continue, or for price to go down into our lows to continue to go up from there. Right? You can see price was consolidating until the one above, right? But it still rejected the highs. So CHF again is going to be another one. Let's update the STP as well. This one is good. Just 1 pip off, right? And today we already did 79 pip, right? So we're almost done with this pair, but again, it's also just where we're at. Gonna wait until we get either a clean break, retest to continue to go, or until we go back down to the bottom of the zone. EuroCAD is one that's moving counter, right? We had 2 days of counter drop. Today being the third day gave us a new low. We went below our 30-minute zone. In the 30-minute time frame, it went below our 4-hour zone. In the 4-hour time frame, the candle did break below. If this next candle breaks below and it closes below this candle, then we can say price is going to continue to trend down. Right? We have 2 months of 2 weeks of counter drop. This week being the third week, already gave us a new low as well. Alright, let's zoom out into the daily time frame, show where we're at, right? We're in the middle of the zone, middle of consolidation, right? So we know where's our safety trades. Our safety trades are going to be either at the low of consolidation, right? Which in this case, I'm saying the low is going to be here, right? So I either want to see my entry here to continue to go up, or, you know, obviously the 30 minutes already too late for that. I wanted to see price hold these lows, but you can see I already disrespected that. So let's calculate STP. So EuroCAD, we could turn this one off as well. Euro USD, same situation as EuroCAD. The only difference with Euro USD left us with a gap here in the 30-minute time frame at the opening of the opening of the day. Right, so we know that price has to come back up and fill this gap up at one point, and we are in an uptrend, right? An overall uptrend. So this tells me, right, price right now is just going to be rejecting the highs. It's going to go down short. Gave us an engulfing candle in the retest in the 30-minute time frame to continue this downtrend. Right now at the low of the zone, this is where we want to start looking for price to go up, right? Regardless, I'm going to treat this the same way I would treat any other pair. Right, I'm going to calculate STP. Right, the number one thing is how many pips did we do today? Right, we did 36 out of 40, right? Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. We have 2 weeks of counter drop. This week being the third week already gave us a new low. right? And it looks similar to EuroCAD if you notice it. Right? Daily time frame, we had 2 months of rise, right? This month we were expecting price to give us a new high, but why weren't we expecting it, right? Again, the rules are super simple. To start off the month, we have a gap, right? Resets the trend. That's the number one rule, right? That's the easiest one to remember. If you see a gap in the market, in the openings of the week, in the openings of the month, in the openings of the day, right? Even if the gap is in the middle of the trend, which does not happen often, it resets the trend, right? So this is doing the same thing as EuroCAD, right? We were in the middle of the zone between the 4-hour break of the lows and highs, right? And price just decided to continue to go down. But then also, where are we? In the middle of consolidation. So again, even taking trades here, we understand they're not the best place to take the trade. So same situation, right? I either want to take buys off the lows, or I want to see a change of character, right? I want to see a change of character and a break of structure, right? Because at one point we were lower low, lower high, low, lower high, lower low, higher high, right? So if you only trade change of characters and don't wait for a BOS, you got stopped out here, right? And lower low, lower high to where we're at now, lower low. So Euro USD, super simple. I'm waiting for a change of character and a BOS, right? Right now we're still making lower highs and lower lows, so there's no entry for us here today. GJ, right? GJ, super simple. We went over this yesterday. Let's turn on the drawings because I know I have this, right? So again, very, very, very simple trading, right? Where is price at? There's a lot to break down here, so let's do this. I want to just show you guys yesterday's drawings. What is it? Okay, perfect. So let's break this down. So remember what I was saying yesterday, right? Again, where are we? Right, we were in the middle of the 30-minute high and 30-minute low, right? Remember I was saying this right here is the clean traffic, right? That price wanted to come up and clear, right? Until when? Until it reached the top of the zone and it rejected, right? When it cleared this zone, it created a double bottom, which a lot of people, a lot of traders are doing what? They're looking at this as a double bottom, right? And a BOS retest, right? For price to go up, and we're looking for price to bounce off of here to go up, right? But why is this not a valid zone, right? Because again, we just disrespected and tested the high of the zone. Why the fuck, right? So this tells us price is not ready to start moving up, right? And we can see price is still making a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? So again, this trade here, and I say this in every single stream, this trade here is the traders that don't really know market structure, and they're just looking at this as, oh, this is the low of the day, I'm gonna take a buy here because it's the low of the day, and whatever comes up must come down, and whatever goes down must go up, right? That's the mentality of these type of traders. And again, it is not gonna work out, because all of these possibilities you see here, yes, it could happen, but that's what these entries are. They're probability trades. Like, what's the possibility, what's the probability of this trade to work out, right? That's how these guys are trading. No shade to them, no disrespect, they're doing their thing, right? But this is why they have that 50% strike rate, right? They win fucking half the time and they lose the other time, right? And again, if that's the type of trader you want to be, which again, I wouldn't even consider you a trader, I would just consider you a gambler, and you need help, right? Because gambling is not a healthy, it's not a healthy habit. So again, I'll say this one more time. I'm only gonna say this once today. Right? If you're a trader and you think about this game as a game of probabilities instead of a game that has rules and you need to abide by the rules so you don't lose, you're doing this completely wrong. I promise you. If you're thinking that this is a game of probabilities instead of a game of who's wrong and who's right, you're doing this completely wrong. So with that being said, GJ, gonna skip it as well. Gonna wait it out. I want to see a change of character. I want to see break of structures. I want to see clean market structure. If I don't have clean market structure, I have no entry. Right? GU, same situation. In the middle of the zone, price is just consolidating. STP hasn't been hit, but I have nothing. We have literally, there's nothing that's telling us price is gonna start moving. We're in the middle of the trends. right? On top of, we're looking for price to go up. We're moving counter trend right now. We have two green candles. This red candle is closing in 2 hours in the 4 hour in the 4 hour time frame. Could this be an engulfing red candle to continue that push to the bottom of the 4 hour zone? Absolutely, right? But we just gotta wait. Currently, yeah, we had higher high and then boom, lower low, and then what, higher high and then higher low, right? And then what, lower high to where we're at now. So where's price gonna, if you're telling me, oh, this is gonna go up, why? What do you see? Right? Forex one-on-one, what is the most basic thing that we learned in trading? Higher highs, higher lows in an uptrend, lower lows, lower highs in a downtrend. If you could tell me, you could see what price is doing, please let me know. I'll take the signals from you guys today. But there's nothing, right? When we're looking, oh shit, I almost just choked. When we're looking at simple market structure and simple entries, right? Are we where we're supposed to be in the in structure, right? To go long, if we're looking for this to go up, right? No, we're in the middle of the trend. You can see how price is disrespecting the 800 EMA, so we can't even say, oh, price is gonna bounce off the 800 EMA. No, there's a whole bunch of things here that is telling us price is just not ready to start moving into a direction and stay within that direction, right? Because if this was ready to start pushing down, it would have done that already, right? It would have been already at the 4 hour low to look for price to go up, and vice versa. If price wanted to go up, it would have continued to go up here to the 4 hour zone, but instead it went right back down to the low that we've been trading in, right? Which is pretty much these lows and these highs, right? So GU is going to be another one I'm just going to turn off, and we're going to wait it out. Again, today is Monday as well, so I'm not too frantic on getting these entries either. I want to let the market breathe. We just had 2 days of resting, no price structure, nothing. So Mondays I want to give it some time to breathe, right? Same with US 30, right? Waiting to see what does US 30 want to do. Does it want to break above our 4 hour zone, which we could see it's been disrespecting, right? At this point we already have 3 weeks of rise. I'm not expecting this week to go up again. We also have 2 months of rise, this month being the 3rd month of rise, already given us, right? Already gave us a new high. We only have 2 days left for the month, right? So I'm not expecting February to continue to go up on US 30 either. After 3 months of rise, we're expecting market to chop or drop. After 2 weeks of rise, market must chop or drop. After 3 days of rise, market must chop or drop. So we're just waiting for those confirmations, right? We had a gap here in the 30-minute time frame. Price already went up, filled the gap, and we're still at the high of the day, right? No engulfing candles in US 30. This is one we could continue to trade, because again, if we are looking for shorts on US 30 at this point, we just want to see a change of character. Is the only thing that's really missing, right? At one point we had higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, low, lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, to where we're at now, right? So US 30, we just gotta wait it out. USD CAD, we have 2 days of counter drop. Today being the 3rd day, hasn't given us a new low, but we can see where price is heading to, right into our 30-minute zone. Not really much to say here, right? We had 3 weeks of rise, right? Last week price went down and gave us a, let's see if it finished on unknown that. Right. It finished close, but it really did finish on another rise, so I'm just gonna mark this as a weekly rise, right? There's probably a gap somewhere, but trading view doesn't show all the gaps, but I'll break it down. And so yeah, right now we're just waiting for price to give us a change of character. BOS, same thing, right? We're still giving us lower lows, lower highs. So USD CAD, I'm just gonna turn off. Gold, let's see, let's take a look at STP first. Pips off, and then we already did STP, so gold is done for the day, and we're in the middle of the zone as well. 30-minute high, 30-minute low. We're trading between the middle of the zone, waiting to see where price wants to go. And then Bitcoin, I'm not gonna trade Bitcoin, right? We had 2 days of rise. On the 3rd day, which was yesterday, gave us a rise. Looks like a rise no net, so today I am expecting another high to be made on Bitcoin, right? And we can see that that's where price is heading to right now. We have the 30-minute high, 30-minute low, right? Price didn't reach the 30-minute low and then just started Amber alert. 7 a.m. Crazy. So yeah. So really, US 30 is the only real pair to keep a real close eye on. Again, everything else already moved. Um, it's crazy how Amber alerts go out that fast. Alright, so with that being said, guys, this is pretty much it for me today. Not a lot, really, not a lot at all, but it's good enough. Alright, guys, but this is pretty much it for me today. Right? Again, it's a Monday. I'm not gonna sit here and just stare at nothing. Um, again, we broke down the 10 pairs that we look at every single day, and there's nothing. Right? Again, there's when we're looking at simple market structure, where price is at compared to where we're looking for price to go to, we just have to be patient. And just let the market move, let it set up for us. If you guys have any other questions, you guys could join the Discord, free Discord. You could set up a one-on-one with us. If you guys need me to go over any other pair, go ahead and let me know. Let us know in the chat. Whether that's in the Discord chat or here on YouTube, but we'll be out of here now, guys. Super quick stream today. Literally only was a 20-minute stream. But again, not a lot to look at today, so we're just gonna take it easy. If I see anything for NYC when NYC opens in 2 hours at 9:30, then I'll call it out on the Discord. If not, then we'll just take it easy, and we'll be live again tonight at 7 p.m. and then again tomorrow morning for the for NYC session.